Good morning, students. I welcome you all for today's online session of SST class 4th. Hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. Now, see, students, we have started our first lesson learning about maps. Which lesson learning about maps? Now, all of you will open your textbook, footprints, SST, page number 6. Page number 6. Till page number 6 we have seen what is a map and its different features. Now see, students, what is a map? I have told you in previous class only. Drawing of a earth surface on a flat surface of a paper. Drawing of earth on a flat surface of a paper is called map, and its features we have seen. Then key, legend, till here I hope you all have understood. Now today we'll see the important part, that is types of maps and globes. Types of maps and globes. Now see, students, all of you, one thing is clear: drawing of a earth surface on a flat surface of a paper is map, or any flat surface. So there are different types of map. So first is physical map, political map, thematic map. Okay, now see, on page number 6, here three images are given. Can you see? First is a physical map, second is a political map, and third is thematic map. Three maps are of India only. So now we'll see one by one. Now you all know the physical features of the earth. I have given you one video also on it, like mountains, plateaus, deserts, plains. These are different physical features, yes or no? Yes. Now on one map, how many things we can show, na? So to show these physical features, a physical map is provided. See here, brown color is there, it shows mountains. Yellow color, it shows desert. Like these physical features on a single map are shown, it is called physical map. Then political map. You know, our country has different states, different capitals. So to show these different states, cities, towns and continents, we need a political map. So this second map, all of you will study it carefully. See, all the names of the states is written. So it shows the states and their capitals. It is political map of India. Now what is thematic map? Thematic map shows what? Suppose we have to show a particular information about an area, or suppose any theme, like suppose weather, we show weather, transport, then road, population, guide. Like this where different things are there. So only to study that particular thing, a thematic map is used. Can you see here? This shows the thematic map of India. Now see here, this map is showing the different types of soil. So here down reference box is there, they are showing alluvial soil, desert soil, black soil, red soil, etc. So what is the theme? Soil, and based on that theme this map is drawn. So thematic map are also called special purpose map. Why special purpose? Because for one thing they are drawing a map and showing that particular information in one map, so it becomes a special purpose map. Understood the three types of map? Physical map showing the physical features, political map showing the different areas, continents, states, etc., and thematic map showing the themes on a particular map. Now see, students, I will show you next what is the difference between map and globe. So see, maps and globe. On page number 7, they are they have given the information in your textbook on page number 7. Now all of you will come on page number 7 and read the part. The shape of the earth resembles an orange. Okay. Now all of you know, you have seen in your third standard solar system, in it earth is shown. So what is the shape of the earth? It resembles like orange. Okay. Then therefore the true shapes of all countries and oceans cannot be seen on a flat map. See, flat map is there, so everything is drawn exactly. We cannot say what is the shape of that area. So the true shapes of the countries and ocean can be seen on a globe. Where they can be seen? On a globe. Now what is a globe? This might be occurring in your mind. So Globe is a small ball-like model of the earth. First thing, globe is what? Model of the earth. How it looks? Like a ball. So, a globe is a small ball-like model of the earth. Now, I will show you. See here. This is a globe. Can you see all of you? Yes. So, on this we can see everything. Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, South America, everything, everything, everything. So, a small model of the earth. This varies in shapes. You can get it big also, small also. I am showing you this one. So, everything, every part of the world we can see on this globe. Understood? Now, map. I will show you what is a map also. Now see students, this is a map of India. Now what is given here? India political and road guide. So see, in one map two things are given, political also and road guide also. So all the different states are given here. So it becomes a political map, and at the same time it is giving you the road guide. Can you see this arrows? All these are the showing the roads of the different places. So suppose from here to here I have to go. So through this map I can find out the route. Understood? This is a map and that was the globe. So at the same time it is also a political map and thematic map. So all of you see here, this is a map. A drawing of a part of a earth surface on a flat surface of a paper. Understood? Now see, difference is given down after the first para. Difference is given between map and globe on same page number 7. Now we will see one by one. Here in short I have written in textbook one sentence we will take completely. Okay, now see, which is the first difference? A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it earth on a flat surface. All of you see in the map, so it is a flat surface. Then what is a globe? Globe is a spherical model of the earth. Globe is a spherical model of the earth and shows earth as seen from outer space. Now see, when you are seeing, it is showing from outer space, not inside things. So that's why it is a spherical model of the earth as seen from outer space. Now see, you can see all the places as one time. Now I have shown your map. So all the places. Now see, in this map also all the places are seen at one time. But can you see all the places at globe at one time? No. You can see, but it becomes a bit difficult. Now see, when I am seeing here, I am seeing this portion. So every small things is not visible. I know this is Africa, there are different states and all, but all small things are not visible. Then a map can provide a detailed information about the smallest area. Suppose I want to draw a map of a particular area or particular colony, then I can pinpoint on it all the small things. Suppose for example on page number 3, here I have explained you in previous session, a aerial view of road is given. So through map each and every small things can be point out. So a map can provide detailed information about the smallest area, but on a globe it becomes difficult to give detailed information. You can give some area or that, but a very small or detailed information becomes a bit difficult. Then maps are easy to carry. Yes, suppose this is one map, I will fold it, put in my pocket. Where I want to go, I can go. Where I want to open it, I will open and see it. But is the globe easy to carry? No, it becomes a bit difficult. So, maps are easy to carry around, whereas globes are difficult to carry around because of their size. Some maps are also big, but you can fold it and place it. Okay, so understood these 4 points about maps and globe. What is a map? Map is a flat surface of a earth, drawing of earth on a flat surface. Globe is a spherical model of the earth. You can see all places at one time of map, but you cannot see all places at globes at one time. So map gives detailed information, and it becomes difficult on globe to give detailed information. Maps are easy to carry and globes are difficult to carry. So all of you understood maps and globes difference between, and three types of map. Which three types? Physical map showing physical features, political map showing political all areas, continents, states, and thematic map showing different themes, and also called special purpose maps. So students, here we have completed our first lesson. Then chapter checklist is there on page number 7. You will write, tick the things which you have understood, and if any problem you can ask me. Okay, good day, thank you, take care.